Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how to hide your Facebook friend list from your friends or public. So as you can see, this is my Facebook profile. So let me show you that my Facebook friend list is visible to public or not. So just click on the three dots and just click on the viewers option. So this is what your Facebook profile look likes to public. So every unknown person will see your Facebook profile into look like this way, and as you can see that my friend list is visible to all public. So this is really problematic. So let's hide this friend list from the public. So just follow my steps, and if you are new here then do subscribe to our channel for more videos and press the bell icon for more related video notification. So let's start the process. So first of all, open your Facebook app and log in into your account. So as you can see, this is my Facebook profile. Now just click on the three horizontal line on the right hand corner and just scroll down and just click on privacy and setting. Now click on setting option, and after doing this just scroll down. Down below there is a audience and visibility option, and in this option you need to click on how people find you and contact you option. After this you will get to see so many options. So you need to open the second option, which is who can see your Facebook friend list option. After click on that, as you can see by default it is set on public. It means every unknown person can read your friend list. So to hide your Facebook friend list, just click on more option and now click on only me option down below. So friends, my Facebook friend list is already been hide. After doing this, the unknown person can't see your Facebook friend list. So in a privacy point of view, it is very important setting to secure your Facebook data. So now again, let me take you to my Facebook profile in a public view option, and as you can see, my Facebook friend list is not visible here to public, and in this way you can hide your friend list from the unknown person. So this was a process to hide your friend list in a Facebook, and I hope you liked to this video. If you have liked to this video, then do like and share to this video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more related videos. So thank you friends, bye bye, and see you in the next video.